very important that you take care of your temporary veneers at home as good as possible. When we see you on the day of treatment, most likely there won't be any bleeding whatsoever when we treat you. We take very, very good care of the gums. And it's important that when you come back for us to cement on your porcelain veneers, that your gums are in at least as good a condition as they were when we left you. And so when we go to cement in the veneers, if there's even a little ounce of bleeding when we're cementing in these veneers, it could actually ruin the process of cementation. We may have you go home and come back after you've taken better care of your temporary veneers at home. So what you need to do to take care of your veneers is very simple. We're going to give you some floss threaders and some solution of chlorhexidine in syringes with a brush tip. If your syringes are already not preloaded, go ahead and maybe pour some chlorhexidine into a small cup and draw up from the syringe the chlorhexidine and screw on the yellow tip with the brush on the end. When you do this, you want to deliver the solution directly to the gum line around the temporary veneers, just to the front. Only really need to express a couple drops at a time. You don't need to use a lot of solution when you scrub the gums with this chlorhexidine solution. Do this at least twice a day. One of the problems about using chlorhexidine is that it can stain teeth, and it can also change the taste of foods. That's why we deliver it to your teeth in this method, to minimize the amount of damage that the chlorhexidine causes in your mouth while we're taking as good of care of your temporary veneers as possible. The floss threaders will be used one at a time. Open up the package, take out one floss threader, and there will be small spaces between each of your temporary veneers right above your gum line, where you can insert the stiff end of the floss threader through the teeth, pulling all the way through, being careful not to pull down. Do this between every single tooth that is connected to take as good a care of your gums as possible, at least once a day, if not twice a day. I understand that some areas will be more difficult to access with the floss threaders than other areas. Do as good a job as possible trying to get through every area that you can. If you notice that you can't get through one or two of the areas, please call our office and we will direct you on a specific solution on what to do for you. Thank you very much. Take as good a care of your temporary veneers as possible. We're looking forward to seeing you to cement on your porcelain veneers. They're going to be awesome.